Welcome everybody. Today we're going to talk about if suddenly sound is not working on your iPhone X, especially after the iOS 16 update. That means there is no ringtone when there is a call, no audio when you play any video or music. So in this video we're going to show you how you can get your speaker back to work again. First, make sure your iPhone is not on DND or focus mode, because that might mute all the sounds. And just to make sure there is no dust and particles or sweat that might be gathered in here and block the speaker section. And while you're here, as simple as it sounds, make sure to turn up the volume from the sound bar. Now, just in case if there are any Bluetooth speaker or headphone is connected to your iPhone right now, naturally the speaker won't play any sound. So for now, you can just disable Bluetooth. If you're still having the no sound issue, especially during incoming calls like there is no ringtone, flip the physical mute switch and see if mute button was not accidentally enabled. If you still have the no sound issue, sometimes the no sound issue can arrive just for some minor glitch. To solve that, let's force restart our iPhone. Press and release the volume up and down button and keep pressing the side button until the screen goes black. Let the iPhone restart and see if your no sound problem is solved now. In case none of this process helped for you, there is one surefire way, and that is reset all settings, because there might be some customized settings that's messing up with your iPhone speaker and sound. For that, we're going to open our settings to General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone to reset all settings. Now, this will not delete any data, just reset some customized settings including the Wi-Fi password. So if you're okay with that, just tap on Reset all settings a couple of times. And if there is no hardware issue, which I hope not, your iPhone X will no longer have any no sound issue. Otherwise, we recommend you to contact Apple support just in case you need to repair your speaker. Thanks for watching.